Hello everyone, this is Menghan. Today video I would like to show you how to change or update your YouTube channel artwork on your PC. Okay, let's start. Okay, when talking about changing YouTube channel artwork, there are three things need to consider. First of all is YouTube channel artwork design itself. So in here you can see my YouTube channel artwork design. So we need to understand three things in this tool. First, YouTube mobile site. Second, mobile the site on a computer, and TV site. So there are three different sites that you need to know. So you can see in here we have different sites, and the best place is to put your text and your artwork in the safe area. Okay, let's see in my design. So here in my Photoshop, so I put all my design in this block here. So this block can display on mobile, on computer. On computer we go to all the way down here, and all the TV. If your channel is displayed on TV, you can see all of the full of your design here. So this is the side that you need to know. Okay, let's go to another two more how you can change it on your computer. There are two ways, so let's start. The second one, if you are on your YouTube channel. Okay, if you are on your YouTube studio, you can change it in here too. Is YouTube have update from time to time. So first of all, when you are in your YouTube studio already, just scroll down here. You can see customization. Yeah, so click customization, and then we go to branding. In branding, you can change your channel cover, channel profile, and here the channel branding. So you can change here. Or if you are in YouTube channel here, your preview on your YouTube channel. So in here you can click customize channel or click the icon here. Okay, when you click customize your channel, it go to this layout, go to something like this here. But if you click here the camera icon here, it bring you directly to your channel here, to the branding. Okay, let's see. As I talked already, they have three sides: mobile, computer, and TV. So let's see how my design fits with this three sides. So just click change, browse to your design and choose it. So you can see if a full TV view, you will see all here. But if a desktop view, you can see all here. Okay, and if on mobile, so I don't miss anything crop out in my design. And if you want to know how to do it on your mobile, check link in the description. Okay, let's just click done. Okay, after click done, we publish it. Okay, don't forget to click publish. Okay, right now we can view our channel with our new design. Okay, here you can see there's no place to miss out. If you view on mobile, also check link you can see in my go to my channel, you can see it. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment, and if you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe and click the bell notification, then you will get any new video from my channel. Okay, thank you.